Hi everyone, welcome to video number 4 of financial management, cost of capital. We have already discussed one section of cost of debt, that is the cost of irredeemable debt. That is both theoretical and practical aspects in the previous video. So before watching this video, make sure that you have watched the previous one. I have put the link in the description. In this video, we are going to discuss about the cost of redeemable debt. So now you are aware about the cost of debt can be divided into two, that is first one cost of irredeemable debt and second one cost of redeemable debt. And cost of irredeemable debt that we have already discussed in the previous video. What is irredeemable debt? That is perpetual, that is time of maturity is not specified. And what is redeemable debt? That is the time of maturity is specified. In other words, the debt is issued to be redeemed after a certain period during the lifetime of a firm. I have written over the formulas of cost of irredeemable debt. That's only for your recollection. It is cost of irredeemable debt, that it is divided into two, that is A, before tax cost of debt, and B, after tax cost of debt. We have already discussed it in the previous video. So let's discuss what is redeemable debt. So what is redeemable debt? That is, debt is issued to be redeemed after a certain period. The cost of redeemable debt also divided into before tax cost of redeemable debt and after tax cost of redeemable debt. So let's see how to calculate the before tax cost of redeemable debt. See the equation KD, that is cost of debt, is equal to I plus 1 by n into RV minus NP all divided by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP into 100, where I is equal to interest, n is equal to number of years in which debt is to be redeemed, R is equal to redeemable value of debt, that is the amount payable on redemption, NP is equal to net proceeds of debentures. And this is the formula for calculating the after tax cost of redeemable debt. Here cost of debt, that is KD, is equal to I into 1 minus T plus 1 by n into RV minus NP whole divided by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP, where I is equal to interest, n is equal to number of years in which debt is to be redeemed, and R is equal to redeemable value of debt, that is amount payable on redemption, NP is equal to, that is net proceeds of debentures, and T for tax rate. So look at this problem. Let's compute the after tax cost of debt capital. A 10-year 8% rupees 1000 per bond sold at rupees 950 less 4% underwriting commission. Tax rate is 50%. What is the equations for calculating the after tax cost of debt capital? That is I into 1 minus T plus 1 by n into RV minus NP all divided by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP into 100. So what is interest here? That is 8% of 1000, that is 80. Tax rate is 50%, that is 0.5. N is 10 year. RV is 1000. See here NP is 950, and see the question, we have to subtract the 4% of 950 from the NP amount. That is from 950 we have to subtract the underwriting commission. See the question, underwriting commission how much? That is 4%, that is 4% of 950, that is 38. So we have to subtract 38 from 950, so the answer would be 912. We can substitute the values in the above equation. What's the equation? That is I into 1 minus T plus 1 by n into RV minus NP all divided by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP into 100. So I, that is interest, is equal to 80 into 1 minus tax rate, that is tax rate is 0.5, right? So 80 into 1 minus 0.5 plus 1 by 10, that is n is equal to 10 into 1000 minus 912, that is redeemable value is 1000 and NP is 950 minus 4% of 950, that is 912, right? All divided by 1 by 2 into RV plus NP. So RV is equal to 1000 and NP is equal to 912, then into 100. When substituting these values in this equation, the answer would be 5.10%. So that's all for this video. In the next video we can start the cost of preference capital. So thank you for watching the video.